Hi, how are you? Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make Vada Pav with a twist. The buns look very interesting and taste just like Vada Pav. Let's get started. Did you click the bell icon when you subscribed to my channel? Let's begin by activating the yeast. 2 teaspoons of yeast, 2 teaspoons of sugar, a teaspoon of flour, lukewarm water. Mix it all together and leave it in a warm place for 10 to 15 minutes. For the bun, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, salt, mix it. You could use a mix of whole wheat and all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of oil, After 15 minutes, the yeast looks ready and active. It's time to knead the dough. Stir up the yeast mixture. Add the yeast into the flour in 2 parts and mix it in. And we'll make a soft dough out of it. That needs some lukewarm water. Take it out on the work surface. Sprinkle some flour and work the dough till it becomes nice and smooth. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes. Apply some vegetable oil on the dough. Keep it in a bowl and cover it with cling wrap. Leave it in a warm place for at least an hour. To make the potato filling, temper the hot oil with some mustard seeds. Let it splutter and crackle. Lower the heat and add in grated ginger and garlic. Chopped green chilies as per your taste. Cook that briefly and add in curry leaves. Add in hing or asafoetida, coriander powder, turmeric powder. Cook the spices on low heat. Boiled and mashed potatoes go into the pan. Season with salt, some chaat masala, chopped coriander leaves. Mix thoroughly and cook on low heat to combine all the flavors with the potato. This is ready. Keep it aside to cool down to room temperature. Once the potato mixture has cooled down, make even sized balls out of it. Make them any size you want. Just remember that these will go into the bun. These are ready. Take some gramflour or besan in a bowl. Add in some salt, turmeric powder, a pinch of baking soda. This is optional. Add enough water to make a thick batter. Add 3 to 4 potato balls into the batter. Coat the potato balls evenly with the batter. Try the recipe. If you like it, share it with your friends. To fry them, add the potato balls into the medium hot oil one by one. Fry them till they are nice and crispy on the outside. Drain on absorbent paper and fry the rest of them. Line a baking tray with silicone mat or parchment paper. The dough has doubled in size. Sprinkle some flour on your work surface and take out the dough. Knead the dough lightly to knock out all the air that has built up. Divide the dough into 8 equal parts. Roll out one ball with a little flour. so that it's roughly 4.5 inches in diameter. Place a vada or the potato fritter right at the center of the circle and cover it completely with the dough. Pinch off the excess dough from the bottom and roll it in your palm for a smooth finish. Use an icing nozzle to gently cut circles all over the bun. Remove the cutout circles using a toothpick or a skewer to reveal the polka dot pattern. Similarly, make the rest of the buns. Arrange the buns on the baking tray, leaving a little gap between them. Brush the buns with some milk and bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 to 12 minutes. Brush the hot buns with melted butter. And here they are, the beautiful Vada Pav buns. Do you want a bite?